Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning into my channel, and in this video it will be a salon visit using Creme of Nature's moisture rich hair color. I'll be using the honey blonde and light golden brown in order to create beautiful golden highlights. So I'm going to go ahead and sit in the chair, and my stylist is Brandy, and she's located at Bank Salon in Cleveland, Ohio. So we partnered up to go ahead and give you guys an awesome hairstyle using Creme of Nature. So let's go ahead and get started. So the colors that she's applying to my hair is going to be the honey blonde mixed with the light golden brown. So we mix both of those colors together in order to achieve a nice golden look. So for those that have questions, that's the color and they're combined together. So after the color has been applied, I am going to sit underneath the dryer for approximately 35 minutes. So after sitting underneath the hair dryer, I am then going to go ahead and remove the foil and begin the shampooing and conditioning process. After shampooing and conditioning my hair, it's time to style. I'll be using the Creme of Nature Pudding Perfection as well as their Argan Buttermilk leave-in conditioner. And for the style, we'll be taking the Pudding Perfection and we're going to be doing flat twists all over my head. After my flat twists have been complete, I'm going to sit underneath the dryer for approximately an hour and a half in order for my hair to dry completely. And here will be my final look. Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed my video on how I got my hair color using Creme of Nature's moisture rich hair color. I am absolutely in love. These are my final results. Again, we did highlights, as you guys can see in the video, all over, and she used, I believe, about 50 foils all over, and this is what we came up with. I'm in love with this hair color because it's very nice and subtle, and it's perfect for when my hair starts to grow out. It definitely would give more of a natural look. So here I'm just going to show you just some up close shots of my hair color so you guys can actually see the highlights. Sometimes it's a little bit hard to see on camera, so I'm going to go ahead and get into the natural light so that you guys can see it up close and personal. Alright guys, so that is my final look, and those are my results for my new hair color. So I hope that you guys are feeling my new hair color as much as I am, and if you guys are, definitely leave the comments down below on your honest opinion on what you guys think. And if you're feeling it and you're loving it and you want to get your hands on the new Creme of Nature Moisture Rich hair color, definitely check them out at www.cremeofnature.com. Now again, I want to hear back from you, so leave your comments down below, and if you're not a subscriber, definitely hit that subscribe button, and also stay tuned for my latest and newest videos. Again, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Ciao.